You are going to love the 2013 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, compass, security system, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.